Hello, this is Catherine Blankenship for AEP 800. Today I'm going to be talking about one of my 5 new technologies. The one I decided to record is Venngage. And honestly, I'd never heard of Venngage until I looked forward in our assignments and saw that we had to make an infographic. And Dr. Jones said maybe try something new like Canva or Venngage, and so I decided to try Venngage, and I actually really liked it. So it's pretty simple. It's just like Canva. You can make presentations or posters or whatever. If I go, whoops, do not need that in my life. Good thing about it is that it's free. So, okay. So some of my designs, a couple things. This is one that I did for the infographic. I chose to do gaming in the classroom. I don't know why this is here. There we go. There we go. Nope. Technical difficulties, guys. Anyway, so gaming in the classroom. I did this short infographic, this poster about the different games that I use in my classroom. We use Dreambox, Fast Forward, Dreamscapes, and Prodigy. Actually, Dreamscapes is a new one that I heard about this last year and never got a chance to use, and it's one that I think I'd like to use in my classroom. I like that I can change the different backgrounds to different colors. I don't like that one. There we go. I like that I can add things like maps, charts, icons, text. I basically focused on the text, but also I was able to find the pictures by uploading them through the Google search. I think it was through icons. No. Darn it. Uploads. There we go. Upload images, photos, interactive. I think this would be cool for kids to use in the classroom, especially doing like project-based things. The only time I can think of that they would be able to use this is during like a reading centers or an intervention time. And I can see them finishing up a book and then getting on here to make a quick infographic about it. The only downside I see to this, I see to a lot of things, is that even though it's free and it's great to use, a lot of times it requires an email. And so my kiddos don't have an email. I wouldn't know how to implement it in the classroom. Middle school, high school, fine. They have their own emails and they can get on here no problem. But for my 4th graders, I'm unsure how to get Venngage to them. If anything, I can take content and I can make my own little poster for it and show it to them during class. I really like Venngage. I think it's really fun. I think it's really cute, and it was easy to use.